Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to do another video with rolled flowers, but I'm going to do it a little different. So after I did my felt flowers, I was wondering what type of papers would actually look good in a rolled flower. So I've got Cricut glitter paper. Now this is a smooth finish. It's a thicker, almost bendable one, so I don't have high hopes for this one. I've got more like decorative paper. This is very thin, very flexible. It's got a cute little pattern on it. I've got a second sheet of that because I want to do one with a simple cut and one with a bit more of an intricate cut. I have a feeling it's going to tear, but we'll see what happens. I've got a thicker, it's probably a 65-pound pattern cardstock, and it's also got some gold leaf in there. And then just a sheet of regular 65-pound cardstock. So I'm going to get these cut out and we're going to make some rolled flowers. Okay, I've got everything cut out. Everything actually cut out really well. I had a little snag on this design, and as I said, this decorative paper is so thin. Like, I don't even know if it's going to make a nice flower once it's rolled. I might end up tearing it, but I'll start getting these put together. If you've never put together a rolled flower, please watch my rolled felt flowers video and I show you how to do it, because I'm going to do all this in fast mode. Okay, so let's get these put together. Okay, got them all rolled. Glue is dry. I did end up having to use hot glue on this one and this one, but let's open up the flowers a bit more and kind of give them that three-dimensional, more of a three-dimensional look. Definitely want to see some more of the pretty paper. So I'm just grabbing the edge and giving it a bit of a twist there. Just doing it on the outside ones. Just make it look like a flower that's starting to bloom. Definitely hard to get in there. I got this one pretty tight. But we'll leave it at that. So I think that's super pretty. Let's do the light paper one. This one we definitely have a lot more flexibility. A lot easier to bend the petals with thinner paper. Try and do a couple at a time here. Just got to be careful because it is delicate paper. You don't want to tear it as you're trying to open up the flower. So there we go, we got him opened up a bit more. So you can see a bit of the pattern in there. This one doesn't really open up. He's just gonna stay like that. We'll do this pretty guy. You should be able to get a bit more of the pattern showing. Not much. And as you're twisting and as you kind of let go near the end, you know, it depends on how full you want the flower to look, how tight, how loose. So there's him opened up a bit more. Now for the glitter one. So this one and that one were the hardest to roll because it is a thicker paper. So I can be a bit more rough with this paper and not have to worry about it tearing on me, as you can see. So again, if you use the glitter paper, use hot glue. Make really good bends in this one. So there's the glitter one. There they all are. My favorite one is actually, I believe that's a rose. Second favorite, I really like that one, just that little bit of color peeking through. This one's super cute. Looking at it, I want some more bends in it. So there, that's a little better. This one, I can't remember the name of the flower this is supposed to be. I think it looks meh in the end. I might try the glitter one in a different pattern, maybe something closer to that. It might look like a really pretty rose in the end. So, but yeah, definitely use some pattern paper. You'll get a totally different look to your flowers. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it. and I appreciate you. Until next time.